We're here with Olga Gracioso from Sederma to talk about their product, which is a finalist in the Cosmetics R&D Awards program. So thinking now about the awards program, what prompted you to enter the Cosmetics and Toiletries Awards program? What does it mean to your company?
Well, for us it's important because obviously it's the image of the company, it's the recognition from the industry about a new technology. So it gives really a value to Sederma to promote the research behind our products. This is very important also to mention that we have really large team working long and hard for years to be able to launch a product based on such a technology. I think it will really motivate our teams, and also internally it will be very valuable to the people because they will understand that the industry recognizes their efforts for such long years. I just thank Cosmetics and Toiletries for organizing the awards, the judges for selecting us as finalists. So I'm very happy, and we will continue to apply.
It's a pleasure to be able to recognize so much work that goes behind it. And
yes, you know, Sederma is very well known for its creativity and innovation, so that's what we strive to, and next year hopefully we will present something also quite original, I think.
And the technology speaks for itself, it does.
Absolutely.
Right. Thank you very much for your time here at the show,
Rachel.
and good luck. Have a good show.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.